come take a break with me while we put together this taxi that I brought back from Legoland as a souvenir for my parents. Now, part of this video is going to be ASMR, just you watching me put it together because I find it kind of satisfying when I watched it back. But long story short, I love finding ways to just take brain breaks every now and then. So let's get started. It's always a little slow going at the beginning, but it starts to pick up soon. I was pretty excited about this one. This is the best part. It's always tedious trying to get the stickers on straight, but once they're on and the pieces come to life, it's the best feeling. I may or may not fight with my kids to be the one to put the stickers on their Legos. Now these next little pieces always get me because they're so tiny, but with a little bit of patience and fortitude, we're going to get it done. Watch and see. And the back is done. Check out those brake lights. Except for the wheels, the bottom half is done. Spoke too soon. Now the bottom half is done. Building Legos is such a mind cleanser for me. As a mom of two 7-year-olds, I always have something going through this head. My mind is racing 1,000 miles a minute. If it ain't about kid stuff, it's about work stuff. If it ain't about work stuff, it's about house stuff. If it ain't about house stuff, it's about financial stuff. The list goes on and on. So it's nice to take a break every now and then. The only thing is, the things I like to do to clear my mind eventually start to add up. Stuff like Legos, because these kits ain't cheap. I mean, they're affordable if you get them every now and then, but if it were up to me, I would build a small Lego set every single day. I also color, and y'all know those alcohol markers are expensive, as well as the thick paper so that the markers don't bleed through. So, yeah, I'm going to come up with something. But one thing that is not negotiable is my peace. So whatever I can do to keep my mind at ease and stop worrying about the run-of-the-mill problems of the world every single day, then that's what I'm going to do. And putting together Legos just happens to be one of those. Plus, it makes it that much better that this set is actually going to my parents. So it's good to be able to give them a hand assembled gift, because it's not quite handmade, but a hand assembled gift put together with love. Okay, back to this bill. Let me stop running my mouth, because as soon as this taxi gets complete, I know somebody is going to call it so it can come get them and drop them off at the airport. I started to get a little excited when I saw it was time to grab those clear pieces, because then I knew we were close to the end, getting ready to put up the windows. Let's go. Took me a second, but I got it, and then it was smooth sailing from there. Well, almost smooth sailing. Okay, we starting to look like a taxi. We really starting to look like we belong in the streets of New York City. More little tiny pieces, but I refuse to be defeated by a rear view mirror on a Lego taxi. Now I'm getting excited because I know once we get these wheels on, this taxi is going to be road ready. I'm going to be sad to see it go, but glad to give it to my parents so they can sit it on their mantle. I mean, at this point, I really don't need the manual because I'm a pro. I know how to put tires on rotors. I hope those are called rotors. Anyway, we're going to flip this upside down and get these wheels on, and then our taxi is hitting the streets. Last little set of stickers going on. This was a fun build, although it waits to the end to give me trouble with the stickers and making sure that they're on straight. Even with that, I had fun putting this together. It wasn't too long, it wasn't too tedious, didn't take too much brain power, just the right amount of thinking and doing to give me a fresh start. So once I'm done with this, I can carry on with the events of the day. And now we are ready for our time in the spotlight. Look at that, fresh off of the factory floor, ready to get some passengers in and rack up some fares. Till next time, toodles.